Welcome to EDU World Space.
So to be able to go between one pressure unit and another, you need to know the conversions between them. And so 14.69 psi, which is pounds per square inch, is the same as 1 atmosphere, which is the same as 101.325 kilopascals. So the first thing is, if we know that somebody weighs 130 pounds, and we know that their heel has a surface area of 0.5 square inches, well, we can figure out PSI, pounds per square inch, by taking the number of pounds and the number of square inches and dividing. And so we have two significant figures here, 270 psi. Now from here, if we want to convert that into atmospheres, well, we take our value in psi, and now we use the conversions up at the top. When we use dimensional analysis, we put the one we want to cancel on the bottom and the unit that we want on the top. And now we look for our numbers in front of those units. So 1.00 goes in front of atmospheres. 14.69 goes in front of the psi. And now you can see that the PSI and the PSI are going to wind up canceling out. And so when you do the math on this, you're going to wind up getting, now remember that you've got only two significant figures in 270. So we're going to get 18 atmospheres. Now your calculator is going to show 18.3798, blah, blah, blah. But we can only answer to two significant figures because 0.50 only had two significant figures in it. So our 270 only has two significant figures in it. And if we want to do the same thing, oh, I'm sorry, that was part C. If we want to do the same thing with kilopascals, all right, this is going to have to be B. I apologize for having it in the wrong order. If we want to go to kilopascals, we're going to take our 270 psi. And now our psi still has to go on the bottom. We want to get rid of it. Now kilopascals has to go on the top because that's what we want. And then we put the number next to the conversion in front of each unit. We can see that PSI divided by PSI wind up canceling out. And then all that's left is to put it in the calculator. So when we take our 270, multiply it by 101.325, and then divide by 14.69, remember, so when you get it in your calculator, you're going to see something like 1362.33. But remember, we only have two significant figures in 270, so we can only answer to two significant figures 1900 kilopascals, because we can only go to our two significant figures. Remember, trailing zeros without a decimal point are not significant.